Today I'm making a Dhaba style Moong Dal Tadka. So please do try to make it this way, and I promise you'll enjoy a Dhaba style Dal Tadka right in your home kitchen. My channel all about easy to follow and easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. First, we are going to pressure cook the moong dal. So here I have taken 1 cup of green moong that I have soaked for about 4 hours. So I'm going to add this to the pressure cooker. And to this, we will add 2 cups of water. And then cover this. And we will give it about 3 to 4 whistles. So we will check at the end of that to make sure that the dal is cooked all the way. So there's been 4 whistles, so we will check on the dal to make sure it's cooked all the way. So our dal is now really nicely cooked, as you can see here. And it gets really nicely mushed between the fingers. If you have a lot of excess water in the dal at this point, then you can just turn on the oven without covering and then make sure that the excess water gets drained off as much as possible. So now we go ahead and make the tadka. First, for tempering, we need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. So this is Dhaba style dal tadka, so we'll use ghee for this recipe. A 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, about 4 to 5 Kashmiri red chilies, and 6 to 7 garlic cloves that I have really finely chopped. I'm adding the ghee. Wait for the ghee to be really heated up before adding the hing and the whole spices. The ghee is now hot, so I will add the asafoetida or hing, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, the Kashmiri red chilies, and we will fry this for 30 to 40 seconds till the cumin seeds splutter. The cumin seeds are now spluttering, so I will add the finely chopped garlic, and we will fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes or till the garlic starts turning slightly brown. Next, we are going to add 1 large onion, finely chopped, comes to about 200 grams, 2 inches of grated ginger, 1 large tomato, about 160 grams, all our dry powdered spices, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, some salt as per taste, and a bunch of coriander leaves. So now, as you can see, the garlic has turned slightly brown. So before we add the onions, what we are going to do is we are going to take out about 1/4 of the tempering that we have done here, and we will add it at the end of our recipe. So just go ahead and set aside 1/4 of the tempering. So here I'm setting it aside. So I have set aside about 1/4 of the tempering, and that we will add at the end of our dal tadka. Now I'm adding the finely chopped onions, and we will fry the onions till the onions caramelize and turn light brown. The onions have now caramelized, so now I will add the grated ginger and fry this at a low flame for another 2 to 3 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. Now I will add the finely chopped tomatoes. Also add the dry powdered spices, the turmeric powder, coriander powder, chili powder. You can also use just Kashmiri chili powder just for color if you don't want to add all the additional red chilies. And also add some salt as per taste. And we will cook this till the tomatoes become completely soft and we can see the ghee oozing out. So our tomatoes have now turned completely soft and the ghee is oozing out. So our masala is nicely fried. So now we will add a whole bunch of coriander leaves, and we will leave some of the rest at the end for garnishing. And go ahead and Mix this well. Now we will add the cooked dal. So add that, and now go ahead and mix this dal really well without adding any water for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now we will add water. So add water based on your preference. So here I have added about 1.5 cups of water. So now what we will do is we will cover this with a lid and bring this to a boil. Takes between 3 to 4 minutes. It's been 4 minutes and the water has now come to a boil. So now what we will do is we will add a teaspoon of kasoori methi, gently crush between your fingers, and add that and mix this well. And finally we will add our tadka, which we had made, which we had set aside right at the beginning. So really very mouth-watering flavors comes from this tadka. It's just smelling so delicious right now. So now our dhaba style Moong Dal Tadka is completely ready. It's great to enjoy with a lacha paratha, naan, roti, or even with a hot bowl of rice. It's a really tasty dish. So please try to make it this way, and I really hope you enjoy it. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.